Alright, one more quick video. This is something I did after I got off the phone with you. You had mentioned targeting foggy window repair, just briefly. So what I did was I went to one of my YouTube accounts and I created three quick YouTube videos. I used some of your images and made a quick advertisement for you. So if you want me to take these down, let me know. I'll definitely take them down. And if you like the free rankings, then we'll leave it up here too. So let's take a look at some of the things, and I just made this today, and let's look at some of the rankings I've already been glancing. So, best window replacement company, Gilbert, Arizona. Scroll down, it's on the first page, kind of the bottom towards the first page, but still you'll see that video right here, and it's got your phone number, and then if they click the video, it's just basically a little slideshow with some of your images, contact information, phone number, and website link right here. So it's basically just a little quick commercial to try to take up more space on the first page of Google. So here's some other ones. Best sliding door replacement company, Queen Creek, Arizona. It's right here at the bottom. Best patio door replacement company, Queen Creek. It's right here on the first page. Best sliding door replacement company, Queen Creek, right here. Best foggy window replacement company, Mesa, right here on the first page. And this is actually going to hit a lot more keywords. These are just ones I found typing in. I used a system called Google Probing right here. So you notice in the title of these videos I make, I kind of jam them full of keywords. So best foggy dual pane window seal failure replacement repair. So this one video, which took me 10 minutes to create, can rank for all different types of keywords. So this is just one thing that us SEOs use sometimes to grab some quick first page stuff. It's a lot easier than ranking for really tough keywords like window replacement, Mesa. That's going to take some more work. But basically, I just want to show you, dealing with me, you've already gotten a couple really good leads. You've already got some first page space taken up for your company. So I think that's pretty good proof of I know this business pretty well. So I look forward to meeting with you guys and talking about how I can possibly work with you on some of your endeavors. Even in a small role, if you guys have a company that's doing a lot of web design for you, I can coordinate the auth page and the backlinks and really just create a lot of domain authority and move those rankings up. And when we meet up, I can show you some examples of that, show you some of the great results I've had. And you're also welcome to check out my website for a little more information. All right, so that's just a couple freebies, probably a lot more first page rankings for that, but I just wanted to show you some of the few things I can do. Alrighty, thanks.